Hi, my name is Yepani. I'm an illustrator and clay artist, and welcome to another vlog. Lately, I've been pretty busy because I've been trying to get into the groove of creating art and delivering for Patreon, which is basically a monthly, very personalized art subscription from me to you. For me, every month has its own theme. For March, it was March mushrooms, so this is a March only Patreon exclusive print. I made March mushrooms the theme because these flowers and plants to me represent new life and new beginnings. The first quarter of the year tends to be when things get really busy, the ball starts rolling. I just wanted to remind my patrons and my community that there are good things ahead and everything will be okay. As I've mentioned in previous videos, I'm a pretty slow artist. One of the biggest reasons I want to create more art without sacrificing quality for quantity is so that I can reopen my shop soon for a spring launch, maybe sell at an in-person market, and continue sending art via Patreon. I truly believe in the immense value and power art has, not only to reflect our current culture and voices, but also to brighten people's day and make them feel connected. Anyone who has struggled with mental health can most likely attest to how special it is for something to make them smile, even just a little. And I personally believe that cute art has that potential. Speaking of cute art, here I'm working on Coffee Mushroom, which is an OG design, but I've never made the cup white before. Next, I'm working on my basket series. First, I'm making Basket of Hearts mushroom, a design that I first made last year, but this time the hearts are smaller so that more fit in the basket. I'm making tiny flowers for my newest basket design, Basket of Flowers mushroom. I've always loved making tiny flowers for my miniature pieces, and this is just another very cute way of incorporating them. And lastly, introducing my baby mushlings. They're even tinier than the other miniature mushrooms. I love the way they turned out, so you can expect to see more of these baby fun guys sprout up soon. The first of these baby mushlings have already made it to new forever homes of my patrons. Since March's theme was mushrooms, the Patreon exclusive stickers were mushroom themed as well. I'm happy to give a little show and tell of the sticker book and how it was a work in progress for a long time. I had this idea since I started live streaming on Twitch 3 years ago, but by December 2021, I finally made the first Bunny Space Station passport IDs of my viewers who requested it. The Bunny Space Station is what I call my live streaming space. As early as January 2022 into the rest of the year, I made more passport IDs, and Amber, Daring Lunch Meat, was the first viewer to bring up the idea of passports for Patreon. Just like a real passport, patrons get travel stamps for each month depending on the theme. I'm also happy that I finally have a place to put stickers made by other artists, which I'd been saving because I wanted to cherish them and couldn't decide where to stick them. The good thing about my sticker book is you can safely remove and rearrange the stickers. Thanks for spending time with me in this studio vlog. I'm wishing you well. Till next time.